Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot Hamburger Mac. Alright, I'm starting out on my Instant Pot. I have it set on saute high and it's hot. I have roughly about a pound and a half of ground beef here. I'm going to get it in there and start it browning up. And this is going to be a real quick, easy, and delicious meal, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and brown up my ground beef, and once I get it just about all the way browned up, I'll bring it back. Okay, now that my ground beef is about half browned, I'm going to add in one medium onion I diced up. We're going to allow that to saute in with the ground beef to soften up and turn translucent. Okay, now that my ground beef is browned up, my onions are softened, I'm going to take a 1 ounce pack of taco seasoning mix. You could also use low sodium if you like. I'm going to add that in there. Grab a spoon. I'm going to give that a quick stir to get that mixed in there. And guys, there's no need to add any salt just because this taco seasoning mix has enough salt in it already. Alright, now I'm going to add in a half teaspoon of chili powder, and I'm just eyeballing this. I'm going to add in a heaping teaspoon of diced garlic. If you use fresh garlic, use about 2 cloves. I'm going to add in a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes, juice and all. Just want to stir that together quick, guys. Get everything blended together. Now I'm going to add in a 1 pound box of elbow macaroni. And I'm going to add in some beef broth. Now I'm going to add just enough beef broth to go over top of the macaroni by about 1 inch. You could also, if you're watching your sodium, you could also use water in place of the beef broth. It won't have quite as rich flavor, but it'll still be delicious. And I think I'm going to finish off this container. This is probably about 5 cups of beef broth, 4.5 cups, guys. I'm going to give that a stir. Get everything mixed together and get that elbow macaroni stirred around in there. And that elbow macaroni will absorb that excess liquid in there, so not to worry about that. I'm going to put my lid on here. Make sure we're sealed. And I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, I'll do a quick release of the pressure, and we'll have to give that a stir for it to finish drinking up the excess liquid. Alright, my 8 minutes is up. I just released the pressure. Let me grab a towel here because this is hot. I'm going to give this a stir. And you'll see this elbow macaroni start to drink up the leftover liquid in the pot. Alright, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and topped it with some fresh grated pepper jack cheese. Use any kind of cheese you like, just I had a chunk of pepper jack I had to use up. And I figured that would go good with this with the taco seasoning and the chili powder. Let me get in here and give this a try. It's really good, guys. You get that taco flavor, you get the chili flavor. The macaroni's nice and tender, the hamburger's cooked through. That's really delicious. Alright, there you have it. Instant Pot Hamburger Mac. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.